Introducing my new office, Suite 113. Welcome to my new place. Our cozy little waiting area. Small but cozy since there's very little waiting going on here. Little reception area. Of course, we have our herbal medicines. For more details about that, you can go to our store.miamiacupuncturetherapy.com. You can come on in. We have a little fountain, very zen. And we especially picked out our colors to make it as relaxing as possible. Our little walls here. Have our administrative area here, little snack area. Our hallway. And of course, our treatment room, relaxation, healing, you name it. We have our Accutron mentor for microcurrent. For more on that, you can look at our other YouTube videos and all the wonderful things it can do. And over here we have our lobsters. No, I'm just kidding. This is our hot stone massage. Waiting for you. Nice little job by Helen, the little bamboo design. Over here we have our next room. You can use it for treatment, chiropractic. We also use it for family consulting, which is basically necessary for our autism program. And of course, we have our facial room. Says dermal products. Of course, we have paraffin and we have waxing services, eyebrows, you name it. And a little upgrade from our previous location where we had only 3 treatment rooms. We have a 4th room, which could double as a 4th treatment room if we wanted to pull out a table here. Here we have the ionic foot detox machine. We could do that here. We have a little exercise station. Right now is a miscellaneous room. But it could be for whatever we'd like it to be. Ultrasonic cavitation. We also offer thermography services. We have somebody that comes here and do it. If you'd like to know more about that, you can feel free to contact us. So this is our place. You feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube and see all our wonderful remedies that we do here. Until next time.